We are taking a look at a percent problem. You can solve percent problems many different ways. I'm going to solve all the problems for our lecture using a proportion, which we learned about last week. It's a very good way to solve, but you may show your work however you solve when you come to do your quiz. For our first problem, we have the average adult woman is about 55% water. A female that weighs 56.8 kilograms has approximately how many kilograms of water? When I'm dealing with a percent problem, I'm going to start my problem by dealing with the percent. So in this problem, I see that the percent is 55%. I know that percent literally means per 100, so I make a fraction 55 over 100. For a proportion, I'm going to make equal fractions. And we have in our pre-lecture notes that a percent problem is the part over the total. So this 56.8 is the woman's total weight. I will put that on the bottom of my proportion. So 56.8 kilograms. And what I want to know is the part that is water. And so I'll put my X there. Remember, to solve a proportion, you multiply on the diagonals. So I'll multiply and have 100 times x, or 100x. Multiply on the other diagonal. So 55 times 56.8 gives me 3124. To finish solving, I divide to get x by itself. And so I get my answer. X is equal to 31.24 kilograms of water. In review, when I do a percent problem, I start by looking at this percent, changing it into a fraction, so 55 over 100. I know that the other fraction is part over total, and that allows me to solve the problem.